Hey YouTube, and welcome to this video. Coming to you loud and clear. Like to bring everyone's attention. So today, y'all, look at this coffee. First of all, this, oh my gosh, so bomb. I really did my thing on this because this is good. Whew. That tastes so good. But ooh, I done lost my train of thought because that coffee was so good. It is 9:33 in the morning. Today's video will be, well, you already read the title, but it's gonna be a productive day of my life. So that is so good. Oh, my hand's ashy. Why y'all ain't telling my hand's ashy? I just don't be open up my sister out. But yeah, so today's gonna be a productive day of my life. So I need to clean my room because I just filmed a thrift with me and a lookbook, which y'all will see before this video, and my room is a mess. Like, let me show y'all. First of all, I didn't even make my bed, so I need to do that. I got clothes on my bed, shoes from the try on haul, clothes, shoes, my tripod, and yeah, so it's really this area that's dirty, and got some socks right there, and like I need to wipe down my stuff up here. That's trash. Yeah. Here's the fit, the chill fit. Anyways, so yeah. The first thing, yeah, I need to do is clean up because I can't work in a dirty room. So I'm finna turn on some music and clean. So I'm gonna speed this up for y'all. So yeah, so I'm about to turn on some music and clean up. But of course, y'all not gonna hear the music because copyright. Let's do some on soulful holiday radio. Hey y'all, so I'm back after like, I don't know, it's like 2 o'clock now. I cleaned up my clothes that was on the floor, and I hung my clothes up in the closet. Right now I'm just about to do my nails. Wait, let me show y'all. See, I made my bed. That's an Amazon package, don't mind that. And the clothes are put away in my closet. And I need to put that Dollar Tree bag away. And I have to clean those shoes, that's why they're right there. But right now, I'm just about to repaint my nails because my polish was chipping off. And I didn't like that polish anyway, because for some reason, it was like, I don't know, it was weird. Y'all don't care, but it just won't good. So I took it off. Now I'm about to try to do white. Let me show y'all how my setup is looking. Y'all know what I just realized? If you watch my, what video was that? Back to school transformation? Yeah. Y'all already saw me do my nails in that video. So, y'all really need to see me do it again. I literally do the same steps that I did in that video. So, I think I'm gonna just talk to y'all after I have my nails painted, because I really don't think y'all need to see it again. So yeah, I'm about to just paint my nails while I watch YouTube videos, Vlogmas videos, and how long my nail is though. But I will talk to y'all when I got some new nails. Y'all, I did one hand, but I still gotta like clean up the sides because they're a little messy. But doing gel nails is just tiring. Like, this hand literally took like 30 minutes to do. So I'm on this other hand now. It's under the little light. Cura, so oh, y'all can see me. Yeah, but oh my god, this freaking camera focus be killing me. Doing my nails just takes so long. I just wanted to come tell y'all that. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm done. So y'all, I'm done with my nails and it actually came out pretty good. If I do say so myself. Like, let me get y'all a close up. Cause y'all need to see this. Y'all need to see this. Look at this. Oh, hold on. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, child. Like I was saying, here are my nails. Okay, don't mind it. That's a little messed up, but oh, they look bad in the camera. Yeah. Yeah, no. Y'all, they look bad in. Oh. Y'all, they look bad in the camera. Anyways, they. Yeah, they look bad. Here's my little planner with all the stuff. Isn't it cute? With all the things, weekly things I have to do. So I'm gonna do some stuff on my computer, and I need to rewatch the video that I edited, which I'm gonna probably post tomorrow, which it don't really matter because y'all seen it after that video. But yeah, let's clean this mess up. Let me show y'all the mess. Need to clean this stuff up, and then I am gonna work on my computer. So I'll be back. Y'all, I'm about to do some work on my computer. To be productive, you gotta light a candle. This is the candle I'm using that I got in my redecorating my room for Christmas. And as y'all can see, it's like halfway gone. I love this candle, but about to light it. So yeah, I'm about to check my emails. I have to check my emails, and yeah, and just do like a couple of school stuff. I'm out of school, but I still have like school things to do anyway. But yeah, so I'm just gonna time lapse. Anyways. y'all, I'm back. I just wanted to come back and end the video because I'm really not doing nothing else today. I'm actually just about to eat dinner and play Fortnite. Nothing really productive. I was productive earlier, and I just I didn't record it, but I put up the second Christmas tree in our dining room, and I cleaned my sneakers. I'll show y'all my sneakers. See them? Wait, I just cleaned those, so now I'm just letting them dry. But yeah, it is 6:11 right now, so y'all done seen enough. I planned a few things in my notebook as well when I was not my notebook, my planner, when I was on my laptop. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you haven't watched my last video, go watch it, and I will see you in the next video.